Hey guys, it's Tina. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do another hooded eye makeup tutorial, but this time we're going to embrace them as opposed to trying to change their shape. So last week I uploaded another do's and don'ts for hooded, droopy, downturned eyes that shows you how to lift them, how to conceal the fact that they are hooded, but today we're going to embrace them and rock them. Why? Because hooded eyes are beautiful. There are a lot of celebrities out there with beautiful hooded eyes and they always rock them by creating this beautiful half smoky, elongated eye makeup. And this is what we're going to try and recreate today. So if you want to see how to create this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to start by priming my lid with the Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish Eye Primer. Just apply that all over my lid. Then I'm going to add a base just to conceal any veins and discolorations to create a smooth blank surface to work on. And for that, I'm going to be using the Sigma Eyeshadow Base Primer in Persuade. Just apply that straight from the tube all over my lid and just blend it out with my finger. Then I'm going to be using today the ColourPop Your Golden eyeshadow palette, but you can use any colors that you like. Just make sure to follow the dark and light tones that I'm using with the shades that you choose to work with. And I'm going to start by packing all over my lid like a neutral color. I'm going to be using Longer, which is this brown shade with a Sigma 825. I'm going to start just by packing that color all over the lid. And then as I get to my crease, I'm going to start just blending it outwards, going in windshield wiper motions back and forth and blending it out. Now, if you don't have a crease, you can just follow the fold that is being created by the end of your eyeball. So right at the top of your eyeball right there, you want to just go back and forth and blend it out. Now we're completely ignoring the hood by creating this look. And what I mean by that is that normally on a video where I'm showing you how to create a look for hooded eyes, I normally tell you to keep looking up, keep opening your eye to see where the hood is, what it covers. Right now, we're just completely ignoring that and just applying that all over, all around, just very softly and smoothly without even looking if it's hiding or not when we open the eye. Then I'm going to be taking a darker shade and a little bit of a more precise brush like the Sigma E45. And I'm going to be taking, it got really dark just now outside. I think it's about to rain. I'm going to take a darker color using Prime Time, which is this darker brown right here. I'm going to be applying that on the outer V area of my eye. So on this very outer corner in the triangle, following the upper lash line, but only on the outer edge, and following the crease only on the outer half, going inwards, and then blending in between. And then what I'm gonna do is sweep this color outwards to create this more of an elongated, blended out, kind of smoky eye. So this is mainly the color that you're going to be able to see with your hooded eye because the hood is covering most of it. So you want to focus on this outer corner and just blend it outwards. Create that almost cat eye smoky look all the way on this outer edge, just blending it out. Now for my bottom lash line, I'm going to be taking a very dense brush like the Sigma Short Shader E20 and the first color Longwear that we used. I'm going to apply that very close to my bottom lash line, right under my lash line, and then connect it with the rest of the color on this outer corner. And then to blend it out, I'm going to be using the E45 again to just blend it outwards and make it a little softer. Once again, connect it on this outer corner. To highlight my inner corner, I'm going to be using a small smudge brush like the Sigma 821. And this golden shade, which is called One Way, it's a very soft gold right there. And I'm only going to be applying that to the very inner corner under my tear duct. And then on the upper side of it, just around to give a little bit of a pop of color right there. Because once again, remember, when the hood covers everything, mainly we can work with the outer corner and the inner corner. That's where you're going to be able to see the most, and also the bottom lash line. So that's what we're focusing on. And then with the same brush, I'm going to take PCH, which is this lighter cream shade, to apply under my eyebrow to highlight. Now see, normally with my tutorials for hooded eyes, we would clean out this edge, we make it sharper, we try to create a more cat eye, we try to change the shape. This time we're not doing any of that, we're just leaving it right there as is with the smoked out outer corner. And now we're going to create a very smoky black liner. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Perversion. And I'm only going to be using that on the very outer half of my upper lash line. So find the middle of your upper lash line, or like the highest point of your eyeball or eyelid, and then go outwards in almost like a straight line. Then create a really tiny wing on the outer corner. Don't go too much because we are going to be smudging it and creating a longer wing with the smudging or blending technique. So you want to take a stiffer, precise little pencil brush like the Sigma E30, and I'm going to be just pulling my eye very, very gently, not too much, on this outer corner so that I can blend and smudge out that liner with this brush. So I'm going back and forth on the eyeliner itself, and then a little bit inwards, and then a little bit outwards to keep the wing a little longer, but mainly focusing right where the actual eyeliner is applied. Going a little bit upwards in little short stroke motions, and that creates a very, very soft eyeliner look. I'm gonna darken the outer corner just a little more with Prime Time again on an E45 right here, just to deepen it a little more and blend it out. And then I'm going to be taking Basque, which is this shade right here. It's a brown with a little bit of golden flecks in it. And I'm going to apply that with my finger just at the center of my eye, just to add a little dazzle, a little something, something to this look. I don't know if you can see, but it just creates a little spark, which gives it a little more dimension that I like. Now I'm just going to be curling my lashes and applying mascara. I'm going to use the Wonder Beauty Upgraded Lashes mascara on my top and bottom lashes. Normally I would avoid applying mascara on my bottom lashes just to keep the look of the eye a little bit more uplifted. But today we're embracing it, so we are going to be applying a little mascara on the bottom lashes too. Now, most of these celebrities mentioned in the beginning are applying false lashes to kind of cover the whole thing. So you don't need to focus on the hood because it just creates this very smoky look with big lashes, and that's the way that they embrace their hooded eyes. So today I'm going to be using lashes that look pretty natural. I didn't want to go all in too much, so we're going for more of a softer, smoky eye. I'm going to be using the Ardell Naked Lashes in number 424. But as you can see, I cut them in the middle, not really in the middle, but more so like a third way in. And then I'm going to be using the longer inner part of it on my outer corner of the eye. And I just love how natural it looks, but still providing that volume on the outer corner. So before I started doing my makeup today, I used this Sigma Hydro Melt Lip Mask on my lips just to keep them moisturized, and now I'm just going to blot it. So by the time that I'm finished with my makeup, my lips are going to be nice and smooth for lip product application. I'm going to be using the Nude Entrance by Milani. This is their lip liner all over my lip. And on top of that, I'm going to be using the Sigma Renew Lip Oil in this shade Tint. Just a little bit of that on top. I love this chubby applicator to keep my lips hydrated. To bronze up my face a little bit and give it a little more color, I'm going to be using the Sigma Matte Bronzer in medium with my Sigma F23 brush. For blush, I'm using the Sigma blush in Nearly Wild. No, this video is not sponsored. I know I'm using a lot of Sigma products, but these are just a few new items that I received that I really wanted to try out. So yeah, it just turned out to be that way. I'm using the Sigma F40 blush brush as usual to apply that to the apples of my cheeks. I'm keeping it more on this outer corner. I love this color. Not too pink, not too muted. Looks really natural, I love it. And oh well, keeping up with the Sigma theme, we're going to be using their highlighter in Moonbeam. I cannot wait to use this on an F03 brush. You can't see on camera, but it has this really nice pearlescent sheen to it. Beautiful. Huh. Pretty. And we are done. That is it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this look. As always, all of the products mentioned and used in this video are linked in the description box below this video, along with a coupon code for you to save some money. So always make sure to check that. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. It helps a lot. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.